So got this single serve Keurig, and we really love it. Just put the K-cup in, press the button when you're ready. It's going to pull water out of the back tank here, which you can very easily fill with water. And it's going to dispense now. It's pretty quick and easy. Like I showed you earlier, just a quick press of the button, and out comes the coffee once it heats up the water, which it just did. And it's the perfect coffee maker to just kind of make 1 cup at a time. And again, the water is refillable in this back tank here. It only refills kind of 1 cup's worth of coffee at a time, but I only drink 1 cup a day, so, or at least I try not to drink more than 1 cup a day, but even if I do drink more than 1 cup, it's super easy to fill back up here, or back there, drop another K-cup in, literally just press this button on top, and that's all there is to it. You can also power the entire thing down by hitting that power button. But as you can see, it is an absolutely perfect cup of coffee, and I highly recommend it.